Sinyong Biomass Dryers continuously empower rubber factory customers. Diesel, natural gas, and other fossil fuels are far more expensive than biomass fuel. Recent sharp rises in oil prices have further pushed up rubber processing costs. Sinyong provides users with new type dryer that rely on locally abundant biomass fuel to reduce costs and increase efficiency. The automatic crushing and automatic feeding systems ensure continuous energy supply. Precise temperature control ensures stable drying temperatures, ensuring every piece of rubber is heated evenly. The boiler is safe and reliable, with safety parameters controlled 24 hours a day. Sinyong Biomass Dryer can be built as new units or are suitable for retrofitting old dryer. After the retrofit, it enables free switching between diesel, natural gas, and biomass fuel. Hainan Sinyong always strives for excellence.